Okay, so I have a pretty cool idea, I think, for making a Eclipse iPhone viewing filter camera. I have my Space Age auto helmet, which goes up to shade 13, but I really don't want to use this viewing the Eclipse. But I do have this shade 10 filter. I think it says, yeah, you can't really see this little 10 right there on it, which is not safe to put between your eyes and the sun. But I did think to use this between your eyes, the camera, the filter, and then the sun. And to make it a little bit special, take a piece of cardboard from your favorite beer, carefully cut a hole in it, like so. Line up your camera so that the forward facing goes through there. Mark it carefully with your tool. Take a few rubber bands to hold the camera in place. Still lined up. All right. Flip it over. Place your shade 10 filter over your hole. Make sure you're still lined up. There you go. And now you have your iPhone safe viewing Eclipse recording device. You can even make it like all fancy. So people know that it is an official iPhone product. I think that would work safe. So shade 10, not safe for just your eyes, but the camera is protected by the shade 10, and the camera cannot generate enough light. It will not let the UV light through, so you'll be safe, the camera's safe, the cardboard keeps you safe, and lets the other people know you drink good beer, and there you go.